How to draw a candy corn ghost, step by step. Hey, learn how to draw Hub crew. So for the first step, we're going to begin by making a big upside down V-like shape, but the top of our V-like shape will come to a curve. Awesome, nice start. Now we're going to connect both sides of the shape that we just made by using a squiggle line going from left to right. Great job! Now on the inside of the shape we have a big empty space. We're going to add in two curved lines, one towards the top and one towards the bottom. Directly below we will draw a second curved line. You're doing great. So far this is coming along very well. Now above the first curved line that we drew, we're going to begin to draw the eyes of our ghost. We're going to make two small circles and we're going to fill them in black with leaving a small white dot in the center. A little bit to the right, we're going to do the exact same thing that we just did on the left hand side. Now right beneath the eyes that we just made, we're going to make the mouth. We're going to make a small circle and fill it in black. Now last but not least, we have to draw the arms of our ghost. We're going to begin on the right hand side, and we're going to make a curved line that will connect to the top line that is curved. Awesome! Now right underneath what we just made, we're going to use a smaller curved line to connect it to the body and close off that empty space. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. Let's hop on over to the left hand side and do the exact same thing that we just did on the right. This is how to draw a candy corn ghost. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you want to see more videos just like this, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. Now stick around so that we can call our drawing together. Also, if this video helped you out today, be sure to give it a big like so other YouTube artists can see it as well. Hey, learn how to draw Hub crew. If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.